So in order to do an initial reaction test, or a jar test that we call it, you basically need 2 glass jars, your material out of the hole that you dig, and a bottle of water and the Claycrete that we provide. The next thing that you do is you make your working solution. So take your bottle of water, and it doesn't need much, so if you take your bottle of Claycrete and add it in to your bottle of water, that is now your working Claycrete solution. Now in the 2 glass jars, what you'll do is you'll add about a fourth to a third of your material. And what you'll do inside of each glass jar is you'll come in and add water almost to the top of each one. And what you'll do with one of the jars is you'll take your working solution and you'll dump in a teaspoon to a tablespoon. If you put too much in there, it'll actually slow down the reaction. So what we'll do is we'll just punch in a little bit here. So not very much. We'll put the lids on and we'll shake each one up. And what'll happen here is I'll get the lids on and I'll shake them up and you'll see what'll happen. So now that the lids are on and I've shaken them, the jar on the right has got the Claycrete added. The jar on the left has no Claycrete. And what you see pretty quickly is that if you've got clay material, the clay material will bond to the Claycrete and it'll separate much faster. And you can see that these 2 jars are actually going to separate much faster now. If that happens, then you have a pretty good candidate to get your road tested for further hydrometer and Atterberg tests, and get the results and see if the road stacks up as a candidate.